Mallacoota dawns endless to their stands, casting lines for bream in the morning's vibrant dance. Divers plunge for abalone depths unseen, while eskies wake from sleep, refreshed and clean. Lines and hooks under the sun's broad sweep, Flathead gummy sharks where the dog wants street. Mellacoota's bounty from morn till night's embrace. In the ocean's dance we find our place. Seafood stalls overflow with today's catch. Oysters bream in battles fiercely matched. Flathead sizzling sharp on the barbecues thrill the market buzzes. Alive with the fisher's skill will. Lines and hooks beneath the day's wide arc. In the murky depths unsleep their mark. Mellacoota's feast unfolds as day departs. In the deep's ballet we play our arts, as twilight beckons and lanterns start to glow. Folk melodies rise, soft breezes softly blow. Stories spun of the sea shared by firesides, like Mellacoota's tales of fishermen's delight. Lines